Hello viewers, welcome to IT System Admin and Information Technology Learning Tutorial channel for you. Today in this tutorial I am going to show you how to fix you need permission to perform this action in Windows 10 computer. Sometimes it becomes very important for you, so don't forget to watch full video. To fix, you need permission to perform this action on Windows 10 computer. Go to File Explorer, select the folder where access is denied and you need permission to perform this action is showing when you trying to access the folder. Right click on the folder and then click on Properties. Now click on Security tab and then click on Advanced. Now click on Change on Ownership. Here type your current username and then click on Check Names. Click on OK and here select Replace Owner on Subcontainers and Objects and also select Replace all child object permission entries with inheritable permission entries from this object. Now click on Apply, click on Yes and click on OK. Click on OK again and then click on OK. Now you can try to access. Look, I can access to my folder now. This is the easiest way to fix you need permission to perform this action on Windows 10 computer. This is all for today. Hope this tutorial is helpful for you. Keep watching for next tutorial. Thank you very much.